Wow, the superwoman behind this amazing, amazing masterpiece. Maraming salamat, Miss Lara. Thank you so much. We will hear more from you later. Ngayon naman guys, tawagin naman natin, of course, ang taong nasa likod ng camera. Ang direktor na magsasabuhay sa kwentong minahal nating lahat. He is a critically acclaimed director na nagbigay sa atin ng mga pelikulang Happy For You with Julia Barreta and Joshua Garcia at A Very Good Girl with Catherine Bernardo and Dolly De Leon. Ngayong taon naman, ladies, I can see all of your clapping guys. Guys, laksan nyo na. He deserves the high. Ngayong taon naman, he takes the role of directing the most awaited adaptation of Bigo One, ang mutya ng Section E, The Dark Side. Everyone, a warm welcome to Direk Peterson Vargas. Hello, Direk. What a breath of fresh air. I'm a fan, Direk. I'm a fan. Take the center stage, Direk, for a photo opportunity. Wow. Grabe, sasabuhay ang season 2 ng Amotyan ng Section E. There we go. We have Direk Peterson Vargas. We will hear more from you later, Direk. Take a seat. Feel comfortable. Okay, ngayon naman guys, eto na. Excited na ba kayo makita yung cast? Parang hindi naman, parang hindi naman kayo excited. Excited na ba kayo makita? Wow, may mga agila nga pala sa bandang yun. I love the soprano. Ngayon naman guys, the moment that we have all been waiting for, because it's time to reunite with the most talked class, the one that started it all. Gusto niyo ba makita ulit ang Section E, ladies and gentlemen? Are you guys ready? Eto na. Eto na guys. Eto na. Wow, you know what? This is a very beautiful moment to witness kasi season 1 is a huge success. Now, we are bound to witness another success para sa ating lahat because the faces behind the phenomenon, the cast of Amotyan and Section E, The Dark Side. Let's begin. First in our lineup, she may be soft-spoken, pero hindi biro ang pinagdaanan niya. Classmate, but is all welcome, Grace Justin Lim. Hello, Justin. Please take the center stage. Very, very beautiful as always. Ayan, picture, Justin. Can you record us to please go there? For a small book. Deserve natin magpakita yung ganyang beauty, Justin. Come on. I wonder kung sino ba yung Grace sa season 2. Ooh. Alright, up next, ladies and gentlemen, meet the soft-hearted and devoted lover who's always ready to give her all. She's back to steal hearts once again. Say hello to Mika, brought to life by Rafa Victorino. Very beautiful in red is Rafa Victorino. Take the center stage. There we go. I wonder kung sino Mika yung makikita natin sa Dark Side. Up next is the maldita, maarte, and of course, unstoppable Queen Bee of Section A. She is finally back, ladies and gentlemen. Brace yourselves for attitude, drama, and secrets that will shake the Section E. Ladies and gents, give it up for Freya Sarah Jo. Hello, Sarah Jo. Hi, please take the center stage for a photo opportunity. Smile, smile. There we go. Our living Freya, ladies and gentlemen. Up next, and then guys, she's back. Fiercer, smarter, and ready to play the game her way. Love, envy, or revenge? Hindi pa natin alam. But you know what? One thing's for sure, ladies and gentlemen. She is about to shake Section E like never before. Give it up for Ella Hart Ryan. Hello, hello. I wonder kung paano siya shake the Ella yung buong Section E. I wonder what your strategies and tactics are. Tingnan natin. The Dark Side. Maraming salamat. We'll hear more from you later. Next up, guys, ay ang cool president ng Section C. This season, makita natin ang kanyang bagong side, friendships, name it, secrets, at choices na magtutulak sa kanya sa unexpected moments. Let's all welcome back, Rocky Angela Muji! Hello, Angela. Very, very beautiful. Angela Muji in flesh, ladies and gentlemen. Smile for the camera. There we go, 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, up next, this guy is back. At this time, mas makulit, mas mysterious, at mas protective siya kay JJ than ever. Sino ba talaga si Percy ngayon? Abangan natin sa season 2. Give it up for Percy J. Yaxie! Hello, brother dear. Take the center stage. Ayan, mas protective na daw siya kay JJ ngayong season 2. let's see kung paano niya ipapakita at isasabuhay si Percy sa season 2. Thank you so much, brother dear. Okay, up next is a tough, smart, at may soft side na palaging sinusubok ang puso. Ang presidente ng Section A is finally back. Abangan ng twists at challenges niya this season. Give it up for Aries Andre Eliana. Hello, Andre. There you go, brother. Picture muna tayo before you go to your seat. Our living Aries in flesh, ladies and gentlemen. Now that we've had a glimpse of some of the key characters from the series, alam ko excited na kayo lahat makita kung yung mga notorious nating Section E. Ito na yung mga pinakamakakulit. They are the outcasts, the rule breakers, oh my gosh, at ang pinaka-wild na section ng ating paaralang paborito. Kaya naman tawagin natin sila, the one with all the info and a knack for stirring things up. Let's all welcome back on stage, Rory AJ Ferrer. Hello, AJ. Picture ka muna dyan. Sabi, the one with all the info and a knack for stirring things up. I wonder how are you gonna do it, brother dear. We are so glad for AJ for season 2. Maraming salamat. Up next, he is creepy. Yep, at meron din siyang sixth sense. I'm sure kilala na pa sino siya. May mga nakita siya na hindi pangkaraniwan, sabi nila. He is back to give us all the chills. Ladies and gents, meet Josh Kyosu Ginto. Hello, Kyosu. There we go. Ano naman kayo makikita ni Kyosu sa season 2? Ang dami masyado na nakikita. Let's find out. Directing na natin na may makikita ni Kyosu this time around. Thank you so much, brother. Up next is, mysterious and full of secrets. He is back to keep us guessing. Ladies and gents, meet Mayo Daniel Ong. Hello, Daniel Ong. There we go. Picture ka muna. Take the center stage. At syempre, kung may Mayo, up next is a with a smile that can light up the entire room, ladies and gentlemen. He is the mischievous friend we all love. Say hello again to Kit Nick Galvez. Hello, Nick. There we go. The presence that can light up our Nick, brother, you can request you to please take the center stage first. Picture, come on, Jack. Flex your outfit, brother. Flex it. There we go. Boom! I love it. Maraming salamat. You know what? Up next is a tech mastermind of Section E. Pero may season, hindi lang mystery ang ihahack niya, pati na rin mga puso. Make some noise for Edrix Samshov! There we go, Samshov in the house. Always with the vibe and the good energy. Smile for the camera, Sam. Ayan na po. Tech Mastermind. Ano, feeling ko hindi naman nalalayo sa totoong buhay na Samshov yung Tech Mastermind eh. This guy is... He is that guy. Maraming salamat, Sam. Up next is the dependable secretary and chef with a big heart. Ready to serve up more kidding and drama. Here is Eman Kigan de Jesus. Hello, Eman. What's up? Take the center stage, brother. Picture ka muna dyan. Okay, up next is a singer with a playful side, okay? And you know what? He's always ready with a song or a rap. Laging handa, aka. Hello again, Blaster Derek Ong. Hello, Derek. What's up? Picture ka muna dyan sa center, yes? There we go. We all love Blaster, ladies and gentlemen. Pero kung may Blaster, susunod naman, the Joker and the Romantic. Ito na siya, meet the Billion Lover Boy, Aaron. A round of applause for Michael Keith. There we go. Hi, Michael. Picture ka muna for all the cameras surrounding you right now. We are so ready for you for season 2, brother dear. Eto na, kilala siya bilang isang ultimate risk taker. Palaging handang sumugal. Pero ngayong season, hindi lang ang puso ang nakataya. Abangan kung paano niya harapin ang biggest risks of his life. Give it up for Drew Yanyan de Jesus. Hello, Yanyan. There we go. Picture ka muna yan. Before you join our Unubongs down here. You know what, this is a unique chair and table setup. Kasi mas marami tayong ngayon, mas full blast. Thank you so much yan. Up next, siya naman yung kaklase yung pinaka-hardworking. May mga big responsibilities. At mas malaking gulo ang kakarating this season. Ooh, sino kaya ito? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Denzel Martin Venegas. Ano namang gulong aabot ang titigi mo sa amin, Martin? Anong kaguluhan na naman to? Picture ko mo naman the camera, Martin. Up next, siya naman yung basketballista foodie ng Section E. Playing Felix. 3 points naman dyan for Kurt De Los Reyes. Hello, Kurt. Picture ka muna. Smile for all the cameras. Pose, brother dear. Up next is a former playboy turned loyal boyfriend. Now even more irresistible. Ladies and gents, here is Alex, played by Ethan David. Hello, Ethan. Picture ka muna center stage. Ooh, playboy turned loyal boyfriend. Tingnan natin kung paano mo isasabuhay yung role mo yung season 2. Thanks so much, Ethan. Up next is a calm, mature, and the voice of reason in a Section E. Feeling ko green flag tong tao na to. He is back to keep everyone grounded. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome David Frostandoma. There we go, Frost. Smile for the camera. Thank you so much. Up next is a makulit, yet big-hearted bunso of Section E, and he is finally back. This time with a story that will test his courage and heart. Meet the very makulit na si CN Charles Law. Hello, CN. There we go. Nation's bunso, I'd like to call him. Tama, diba? Thank you so much, Charles. You can join the boys here. And now, let's all welcome ang bago nating makakasama. Ooh, sino kaya siya, ladies and gentlemen? You know what? She's elegant. She's extra. And she's entering Section E with big energy. When I say big, it's big energy. Connections, secrets, at konting romantic tension. Abangan natin yan. Give it up for Honey Bee Rider Ren Escaño. The newest addition to the story of Aplicana Section. Ipalakpakan naman natin, guys. Guys, let's all welcome Ren with applauses, with a round of applause. We are so excited for you, Ren. Maraming salamat for taking on this role. Kaya talaga, guys. You know what? I'm sure kilala niyo siya because he is the red-haired Jap Pinoy. And he is finally back. Fiercer, deeper, and more dangerous in love. He will fight for love, even if it means losing everything or destroying it. Whose side will he take this time when the battle begins? Alam ba natin yan sa pagbalik ni Yuri? Let's all welcome Robin Angeles. Robin, what's up? Hello.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon, Robin. Yes, center ka muna dyan, Robin. Picture ka muna and take this moment. Let it sink in that we are finally in the season 2 of Aplicana Section. Robin, any message para sa lahat ng mga tao na dito ngayon?
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng pumunta dito. Ito na, season 2 na.
Ito na, dito na tayo. Grabe, na-miss ko yung red hair mo.
Sa akin na-miss ko eh.
It suits you so well. Thank you so much. Ito naman, she's back, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, mas matapang, mas matalino, at handang guluhin ulit ang mundo ng Section E. Bagong chapter, bagong laban, pero she's still the same unstoppable JJ. Let's give it up for the one and only Mundianang Section E, JJ Ashton Orvina! Hello, hello. As a picture coming for all the cameras here in this venue. Wow. The Nations Mundial is finally back. A lot has happened since season 1 and now finally we're in season 2. Ashton, any message para sa mga tao na dito ngayon and to all our friends watching online?
Sa lahat po naman dito ngayon, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin online, syempre maraming salamat kasi sinamahan nyo kami simula cast reveal hanggang ngayon. Kaya thank you. Sana hindi kayo magsawa.
Of course, hindi ka magsasawa. Dami nangyari, no, Jay? Let's see what's gonna happen in season 2. Thanks so much, Ashton. Alright, ito ang pinakinaabangan ng lahat. Muling magbabalik ang ultimate hari ng mga ulupong. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves for the president of Section E, ang infamous troublemaker. Pero, handa na ba siyang gawin ang lahat para sa kanyang minamahal? Tingnan natin, welcome back, Kiefer! Give it up for the one and only Andres Mulak! Hello, Andres! What's up?
Hello, good afternoon sa inyong lahat.
Ayan. Okay, picture ka muna dyan, Kiefer, for all the cameras here. So all our friends watching online, please share this video para mas marami pa tayong makasama sa ating media conference. Now, Andres, any message to all the fans out there, globally, locally? Throw it away.
Ayun nga, I just wanted to say maraming salamat ulit to everyone that has supported ang Mutian Section E from around the world and especially back here in the Philippines. So thank you ulit.
Alam mo, sarap nung sinabi mong around the world. Kasi around the world talaga tayo sinusuportahan, no? Wow, what a big milestone for all of us. Maraming salamat, Andres. You can now take your seat, brother dear. And now, we've got, guys, palakpakan naman natin ang buong cast ng Awutya ng Section E on stage. Pero, quick photo opportunity muna tayo. Can I request, Direct, Lara, and of course, Ashton, Andres, and Robin. Photo opportunity muna tayo. Okay. Before we finally proceed with our question and answer, so ating friends from the press, ready na yung mga answers natin because we're going to call you later one by one. Smile, 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, stay there. Can I please call the girls to join them for a quick photo opportunity? All our beautiful women. Picture tayo. Hanggang sa palaki tayo ng palaki dito for a quick photo. Yes, Andre? There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Angela Muji looks extra pretty today. Wow. Alright, smile for the cameras, ladies and gentlemen. How about let's call in the boys, no? Boys, come on. Join us for a photo opportunity. Samahan nyo kami dito, ang mga ulupong. Ang mga makukulit, ang mga rule breakers. Wow. This whole stage feels small para sa inyong lahat. Alright, smile for the cameras around you, ladies and gents. 1, 2, 3, smile. Find your places. There we go. Settled in, boom. Smile for the camera. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, can we all say Section E? 3, 2, 1, go! There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan natin ang cast ng Mutya ng Section E. You can now go back to your seats. Maraming salamat. Okay. Eto na. Let's get to business, shall we?